Good morning, fellow traders. So I just want to apologize for the late trade update, and just I woke up late, man. I woke up super late. I say I woke up super late. I woke up at 4. So I went to sleep at 2. Woke up at 4. And then I said, alright, fine, if the weather's nice, I'm gonna train in the park. If the weather's bad, I'm gonna train at home. As you can see right now, the weather looks nice. So yeah, gonna train outside. Today's core day, so it's gonna be very good. I'm excited. So I'm currently on the way to the park. Regarding the trade, so obviously, as you know, I entered sales on UJ. And I was still up, like for part of the Asian session. And yeah, so currently it's 9:40. And then let's see, right now, so what happened today? So today, not what happened. So in the Asian session, basically, I had more time to analyze the market properly, especially after the daily closure. So the daily closed bullish. Not only did the daily close bullish, but the 4-hour closed very weak. And yeah, I started to lose confidence in the trade. So pretty much what I did was I said, okay, fine, we're gonna wait for these candles to play out, and then we're gonna close the position at 40 pips, 50 pips, whatever. So yeah, that's literally what happened. So I just want to say, on my mind, I was just thinking about making back the money from the swap fees. Yeah, that's what I was thinking about, because I'm not gonna lie, I felt like I got ripped off with the swap fees. But then also, I think the next important thing was obviously thinking about the account. So as of now, this is from today, the Asian session. So for example, yeah, we took 40 pips. Let's see, if you look at 38 pips. Anyways, whatever, it's cool. Oh, sorry. So yeah, now the account is currently at 104, so which is good. Regarding what the plan is for the rest of the week, I'm not gonna do anything, literally just gonna chill. And yeah, mentioned yesterday, or I should say this morning, I mentioned that only if we see A grade setups, A plus setups, then we'll be getting into positions. So just before leaving the house, I took a look, and there was literally nothing. So yeah, I said it's fine, just we'll leave it. But yeah, anyways, we'll see how it goes. We'll see if we get anything in the New York session, and then that's it. But yeah, aside from that, I'm gonna go to the park, I'm gonna train, and then catch you guys later.
That's why we grinding, chilling there, penning with guidance. Been a long year, still trying, still patient. Blessing my mama with greatness, telling my friends we made it. Old notes, new faces, same squad, different races.
Mr. Wills is hard to kill, ain't nobody murking me. He might have more money, but he'll never have more heart than me. Cartier frames I see through, so all of them lies I see through. Tried everything I could to keep you, but in the end I had to leave you. Sold some coke, I sold some butch, but growing weed my specialty. Shotgun's good for close range, but a handgun's a necessity. Keep on acting like we're friends, but deep down you're my enemy. I like your company, but babe, you're draining all my energy. For a house on the hills I'm grinding, stressed all of the time, still smiling. I'm still with the same day ones, still with the same old thugs. Only the whips that's changing, new locations, different places.
Views from the hills, dreams why we grinding. Chilling there, penning with guidance. Been a long year, still trying, still patient. Blessing my mama with greatness, telling my friends we made it. Old notes, new faces, same squad, different races. Views from the hills, dreams why we grinding. Chilling there.
So guys, I just finished training. I'm literally on my way home. I've briefly taken a look at the markets. I shouldn't have, but anyways, I did. So I saw that, for example, UJ is just approaching, I think it was 151. Yeah, 151. And then gold literally just, boom, like this, went to the 50s area. So, pardon me. Yeah, we're going to see where I think we could definitely catch some opportunities now. Especially if the 4 hour plays up to our advantage. But yeah, it's waiting game. So now I'm just gonna go home, gonna eat breakfast, and then literally start get ready. Obviously I need to get ready, shower up and that, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So guys, I've basically been looking at the markets. I gave an update about USD CAD and USD JPY, as well as gold. I was looking at the situation and I was thinking to myself that, okay, the daily closed bullish on USD JPY, so I expect it to close bullish. So I don't think I'm going to enter the position given the uncertainty. Like, I know I mentioned that I'll be waiting for a confirmation on the 4 hour. Pardon me, sorry, I just finished eating. So yeah, after that there was the USD CAD. The USD CAD, the daily closed bearish, but with like a weak bearish candle. So I'll give it a try and we'll wait and see. And then the only trade, so excuse me, the only trade that I think can possibly pass the test is probably the gold trade. But again, with the gold trade, like, we'll just have to wait and see. Yeah, aside from that, there's nothing really much going on the market. So I might not actually trade for the rest of the week, but we'll wait and see. I think so. On my mind right now, the only trade that I think will pass is probably the gold trade. And one thing that I was doing to kind of think through, I was thinking, you know what, like, for example, if I was to enter the USD CAD trade, or if I was to enter the USD JPY trade, like, how would I feel about being in these trades? And what I was thinking was that, you know, if I enter these trades, would I feel like I'll be staring at the screen a lot? And the thing is, I feel like I will be. Compared to the gold trade, I feel like with the gold trade, at least, if we do take it, then I won't feel like I'll be staring at the screen as much. So yeah, for me, I'm gonna wait for the setups, but I think I'm more on the side of taking the gold trade rather than the other trades, based off of how I would feel while I'm in the trades. So we'll wait and see how the outcome's gonna be. But for now, literally just waiting on gold. And yeah, I'll be keeping an eye on USD CAD and USD JPY in the meantime. So we'll wait and see. Okay. All right. Good morning, people. So I'm sorry that I didn't give like a trade update yesterday. I think I mentioned that I got into the sales on UJ, and yeah, I think now we're starting to get to like the more challenging bit of the challenge, and yeah, it's not been easy the past 2 days, I think, and I think I put unnecessary pressure on myself. Yeah, I think that it's been, yeah, I would say, bro, it's I mean, sorry, I would say that it's mainly been like FOMO, because I mean, I wouldn't even say FOMO. I think so. Looking at the current situation of the markets, the past four I was gonna say 4 days. The past 2 days. So since Wednesday, excuse me. What I noticed was that, yeah, I missed like a opportunity that really I should have been solidly focused on, and that was with gold. And yeah, man, we missed that. But I think another thing that also didn't help was obviously not sticking to my plan. And now I'm gonna show you what I mean. So as of now, it's currently 6:34, and yeah, basically right now the account is at £98.46. But what happened is that, yeah, I took some trades that didn't. I was just going. Yeah, I was being a bit. Pardon me. I was being a bit. I was being very reckless, and if you can see, so literally, from when I took the sell, that was where you see minus 643. That was when I closed the trade, and I thought, you know what, like my stop loss is gonna get hit. And you know what's so funny, yeah? If I actually kept my stop loss, like, okay, I would have suffered the 90 pence swap fees. But yeah, I think I was being silly, like talking about swap fees. Swap fees shouldn't be a concern. But yeah, I didn't even just let it play out how I thought it would. I mean, I'm saying that only because, for example, now we're back at like where we're at right now is back at entry, but it's besides the point. So if you can see, after I literally took random trades, and I was closing these positions, if you can see, like on UJ, the sales that I took on the buy that I took on UJ, I thought that, oh, maybe price is gonna go up. Then basically I started taking trades that didn't follow the plan, and then last but not least, I took a trade with gold, just out of, yeah, man, I can't even explain why I took the trade. I just took the trade on gold. I thought, you know what, let me just take this trade, and I think that was probably like one of the worst decisions that I made. So anyways, like, I'm done for the week, because not done for the week, but the only market that I'm gonna be taking a look at now is gold, because obviously gold is obviously, as you know, like, I mean, gold is giving me something that I've seen before. So I thought, you know what, let me see what we can do with gold. So I'm currently just chilling with gold, but aside from that, I'm not gonna look at any other markets. There's nothing really much to see or to do. I did see potential shorting opportunity again on UJ and GJ, but I feel like, I mentioned yesterday that the daily closed bullish, so we could expect price to continue pushing up, and I honestly don't know like what made me think about getting into sales. Like even buys, like I think buying at the top of the market, especially when it's in like this like strong consolidation and there's not really like strong confirmations from the 4 hour. Again, I don't know what made me get into the trade, but yeah, I think now it's better just to take a break, wait and see what could happen with the markets. Excuse me for the pre-market analysis. But aside from that, I mean, there's nothing much else really to say. I feel like I honestly feel bad. Like I think that's one of the reasons also why I didn't really do like trade update or market update yesterday, because I was with Lorenzo at the time, but I just felt like so discouraged, and honestly, guys, like this is like part of the reality of like trading. Like I'm taking accountability I'm trying to take accountability for my actions. Like it definitely wasn't part of the plan, and I was thinking like, the only market that I saw that had the best setup was gold, and I let that slide, and I feel like fuck. I mean, I'm not supposed to swear. Anyways, so my phone's about to die, but currently with the market conditions, gold is currently pushing bullish, so we're gonna wait and see what opportunities we can get. But aside from that, I'm literally just chilling today. I'm not gonna try to look at any other market because I know that will just distract me and put me in like some sort of position where I don't want to be in, because remember I'm trying to get like a 1 to 6 minimum risk reward. So even the trades that I took, the UJ trade that I was taking, like there was no confirmation. I mean, there was, but it wasn't like strong enough, like if the 4 hour was bearish, like with a bearish engulfing, then it's different, but that wasn't the case. And so paid the price. I would say paid the price heavily, because it really messed up like my mental, But anyways, like I'm saying, let's just see how we play out with gold and enjoy the rest of the week. And let's try to keep the profits we made, because I think we had a great comeback. I'm not even gonna try to say great comeback. We had a comeback. I don't think it makes sense to say we had a bad comeback, but anyways, I'm just gonna say we had a comeback, and I feel like from here we want to try and do, like, as you know, in trading, we want to try and perform in a nice trend where we have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, continuously throughout this challenge. So nothing much else to report. I'll give an update in the next couple hours. I just got back from the gym. As you can tell, I'm in my workout jumper. Well, I say workout jumper, workout clothes. But yeah, catch you in a bit. Yes, guys, what's going on? So I'm just out on my way to the shop. I wanted to quickly give an update on what's going on. So right now it's 11:23 and trade update. We are currently in this second gold buy at £2 on Floyd. Anyways, bro, you wouldn't believe how crazy this is, because I entered the first position and then got stopped out, and then price started moving. I thought, hold on, this doesn't make sense. So anyways, the 1 hour closed back in the range. So I'm looking to break even at 81 and see if price continues to push up to new all-time highs. The only thing I'm a bit concerned about is obviously the 4 hour closing back in the range. Unlike the I think it's the 2 a.m. candle closure. Is it 2 a.m.? Yeah, 2 a.m. candle closure. So yeah, just gonna wait and see. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, guys. It's not been easy. It's not been easy. But yeah, I think bit by bit, you know. Can't rush the process, but yeah, I'll try to keep you updated in the next hour or two. We'll see what happens. We'll see what kind of reactions we get with the hourly closure, and then yeah, we'll go from there. But aside from that, the weather's nice. I'm chilling. But yeah, catch you guys soon. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. So basically, I'm gonna close the position at 83, and then what I'm looking to do is, I mean, depending on the price action, I'm gonna be looking for sales. So that was really the main objective with gold. So unfortunately, we didn't get the sales from 81 to 7. I think it was like 60, 68, whatever, 69. But obviously that was because we didn't really have confirmation on like sales, you know. But I think that the next thing that I'm looking to do is I'm looking to catch the sales, the next sales to wherever it wants to go, to be fair. It sounds silly, but like a deep retracement makes sense. But yeah, I think we have to just wait for the things to set out. So for example, we need at least the 4 hour candle to close bearish again, back in the range, to confirm that we're gonna come down. And then yeah, we need the entry signal from the 1 hour, because it's a counter trend trade. And then finally, yeah, I mean, if it's looking like a buy situation, then our first area for re-entry on buys is going to be 68, 69, and then yeah, ranges zones lower than that. But for now anyways, TP at 83. So let's go, let's see what's going on, guys. So I know I haven't been up to date with what's going on, and that is because yeah, I kind of let the challenge down. I let the FOMO get to me, and I did not stick to the plan, not one bit. And it's crazy because it started well and then it just ended shit, you know. Excuse my language. And yeah, I mean, there's nothing more for me to add, to be fair, to be quite frank. The challenge is still going on, but yeah, the situation is currently like, it's not as good, you know. Like literally, went from taking one loss to like multiple losses, and I know that I was supposed to just stick to a few trades, but like I said, I think FOMO just kicked in from carried on until Wednesday, and yeah, I've paid the price for FOMO, like big time. So currently it's 9:45. The market's closed, and the account is currently this basically 33 pounds. So you can see, so I think you might have saw that I'm in a buy with gold. I haven't really mentioned anything in the Telegram yet because I want to see how the trade plays out. But yeah, man, so I'm not happy. Obviously, I'm not happy with myself. I think I let myself down. It's not even been 2 weeks of the challenge yet, and already we got into this like massacre. So anyways, yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna see how this trade plays out, and then yeah, we'll continue from there. Back to business as usual from next week, but yeah, we just need to make sure that the FOMO doesn't kick in. And it's crazy because like I've mentioned a lot of things the past well, today, even yesterday, about like not trading, whatever. And then I kind of, as you can tell, like I've just gone against the whole plan. And yeah, it's crazy. It happens, you know. What's done is done, I think, and we just have to make sure that it doesn't happen again. And I think me being able to be upfront and open about this, I think, is something that can help contribute towards that. And yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's all. So it's a sad ending for the part 2, but for week 2. But yeah, hopefully next week will be much better, and we can obviously resolve the issue, you know. But aside from that, guys, I will see you next week for round 3. Well, week 3. But yeah, anyways. All right, what's going on, guys? So I'm just in my bed. I've just finished doing the whole pre-market analysis. Just to confirm, it's currently Saturday. It's currently Saturday, 5:26. And yeah, I just thought like I don't even know, man. Honestly, like, yeah, I just wanted to do like a post. I thought I'd do like a post market for the week, like update. And yeah, just I kind of wanna go. I don't know if the right thing to say is to go through the week, but yeah, like I think that. So what I've noticed from the post-market analysis I did, like, man, I really missed a lot of simple opportunities, you know. So like shit. Okay, wait, I'm gonna have to switch to the I'm gonna have to go to the laptop quickly. Oh my god, I don't let's see quickly. So yeah, so I literally go through 20, so it's 21 markets that I'm going through. So yeah, gold, for example, we missed obviously the I'm gonna mention. Wait, hold on. First of all, I should mention the trades that we missed from Wednesday. Yeah, this is the first thing to just clarify. So yeah, the buys on gold on Wednesday in the Asian session. USD JPY, that was the Asian session. Sales on sales in the Asian session. Euro AUD, we had oh shit, I forgot to write what it was. I need to stop cursing. I'm so sorry, by the way. Euro AUD, what was it? It was buys. Euro AUD, we missed the buys on Thursday. Sorry, bear with me. I'm literally trying to do everything together, you know. Hold on. Let me yo, instead of trying to hold the instead of trying to hold the camera, I could just literally do this. Yeah, that's better. All right, so to go up. I thought clearly I didn't write it. So anyways, yeah, there was Euro AUD price close back in the range. Thursday 1 p.m. the 4-hour close to go up. Missed that. What do you call it? What else did we miss? Euro CAD. Man, Euro CAD. So what happened with Euro CAD is that basically price pushed back up on the Euro CAD, closed back in the range to go up, and that was in the Asian session. So basically what I do is when I do my post-market analysis, pre-market analysis, I basically timestamp my information. Let me finish writing this one and then I'll give you an example. 1 second. Wednesday. Oh yeah, right. In short, Wednesday 26th, 9 p.m. This is literally the day when I closed the trade. I think this is literally the day when I closed the trade. It's crazy. Anyways, yeah, 9 p.m. Okay. All right, so let me quickly show you what I was talking about regarding. So I don't know if you can see properly. So you can see, for example, NZD JPY. I timestamped the candle that I'm talking about. You can see we got Monday 9 a.m. and then you can see we got Thursday set 9 p.m. GJ, same thing, Monday 9 a.m. Thursday 9 p.m. etc. 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 Anyways, so yeah, so we was talking about the opportunities that were missed. So yeah, Wednesday EuroCAD Asian session 9 p.m. CAD JPY Sunday Asian session 1 a.m. Yeah, no, that one is before Wednesday, so that doesn't matter. Wednesday 1 a.m. Right, Asian session again. That's GBP CAD. We missed the entry for buys. Okay, CAD, USD, where it's closed back in the range Wednesday. GBP NZD, Wednesday 5 p.m. Price to go up on GBP NZD. Right. Same thing, GBP AUD. I missed the bias for price to continue the trend going up. And then the rest of the pairs, we didn't miss nothing. So, oh shit, I'm blocking the camera. Oh my god, the cursing is disgusting. I need to stop. Anyways, so yeah, I'm in my bed because like literally, my head hurts. I'm not gonna lie. Like, yeah, because obviously yesterday was so unnecessary, you know? Like, anyways, yeah, it was so unnecessary. I'm not gonna sit here and try to justify myself. I think that I was very for the knowledge I have, like I was very silly, and like I've mentioned to you yesterday, post market for Friday, I was I had so much FOMO, you know, and I'm not surprised. After seeing the post market analysis for the whole week, yeah, I'm not even surprised that I was I'm not surprised that I was stressing over FOMO. Not to again, like I said, I'm not trying to justify myself, but it's the situation has happened, you know, and I think that it's about how we move forward, you know. I mean, I think when I got into the position, I think that I don't even think I was conscious anymore. Like when I was in the markets, you know. But I don't want to really talk about that. I want to talk on how we move forward. So I'm sure, as you saw, like I was in buys on gold. That was another silly thing that I did, like especially not being and the market's not being open now. Just reflecting on it, like it was probably even the second most dumbest thing I did. If you want to know what the first dumb thing I did, just comment down below and I'll make sure to let you guys know. I'm joking. I'm not gonna wait for you. Don't worry about commenting. That was just a bad joke. So the first dumb thing I did was I didn't even look. The thing is that you can do this kind of thing, like hedge funds. They do it all the time where they hedge positions. No pun intended, I suppose. I hope I used that right. Please do comment if I used that correctly. Anyways, so the hedge funds they hedge positions. So if you don't know what hedging means when you enter buys on a specific market, and then not only do you enter buys in the same market, but you will also enter sells, right? And you try to capitalize off of both sides. If I'm not mistaken, I think even large investment banks they do such a thing also, but you can also comment that but down below and correct me if I'm wrong. Anyways, so the first mistake, let me just clear up what the first mistake was. So the first mistake was that so okay, it's only because it's so bizarre, yeah, how stupid I could have been, you know, because there's one thing you have to know about trading, yeah, and that's if price rejects support, yeah, or if price rejects resistance, right, guess where it's going? If it's rejecting, so in this case, it rejected, the 4-hour rejected the support and the trend is bullish, right? We're seeing higher highs and higher lows, yeah? So what are we supposed to do in that situation? Obviously, as soon as we get to like a nice area to buy, we buy, right? Me being the idiot, even staring at the 4-hour after it closed, instead of thinking, let's buy. I mean, let's buy. Maybe it's gonna come down because obviously, yeah. Anyways, like obviously it's gonna come down. That was probably silly of me. Anyways, so moving forward, I am looking to pretty much. I've already put an action plan. I'm not gonna. Am I supposed to say what the action plan is? Yeah, go on. Why not? So, it sucks. Okay, 1 second. I have a laptop next to me. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I don't want to go back on the computer. 1 second. Okay, so okay, so yeah, it feels good not holding the camera anymore. Oh my god, holding the phone, you know. So what did I want to say? So yeah, I have an action plan to pretty much get myself out of the position, and I know that you guys are gonna say, oh, like why don't you close the position, you know? Why don't you just close the position? You've already done enough damage, you know? I think even like I'm gonna get like, I think uploading this video I'm probably gonna get like a big loss in credibility, but I think that, you know, after watching all of after being in the traders community for at least like 2 years, I think there's only probably okay, to be quite frank, there's only one person that I've met that's like not exposed themselves, but has been quite open about like suffering like a big loss and not following the trading plan, and that's Alex G. So if you don't know who Alex G is, he's actually a forex trader that I respect a lot, because he's someone that kind of gave me more oh, I can't do that. He gave me more like, I guess you could say like insight, like the way how he speaks regarding his analysis, and also like I was watching his challenge from $100 to $1,000,000. Like both, I watched both seasons, and if you know him, then you know that the first season he blew the account after turning 100,000 to like £100, sorry, to like 350,000, something like that. So yeah, he was quite, oh, he was very brave, and he came on the camera and he said like, guys, like I blew the account, you know. And yeah, I think there's not really enough people that are very open about not suffering losses, but not being open about like not following their plan, and just, you know, taking the loss, you know. So I mean, it's funny actually, because I'm moving as if like I blew the account, like I didn't blow it yet, you know. But like losing 55, no, is it 50%? So at the time I was at like 94. Yeah, like more than 50% of the account. Like to be there, right? It's not ideal, but like, yeah, if you follow me on Telegram, then you can see that like I'm not really someone who's like afraid of this kind of stuff, like losing 50%, because yeah, if you're on my Telegram, then you would see if you look at the top of the channel that I turned man, it was like £9 into £100, and that's the same £100 I'm using for this challenge. Well, technically, it's not £100 anymore, but anyways. So anyways, yes, the action plan. So also okay, you know what, actually, let me read you what I wrote, yeah, because I suppose like I did say that I'm gonna try to make the videos as raw as possible. So I'm starting from where I wrote also. So I wrote also, we might, okay, forget also. I need to just start the sentence. So already saying it aloud, I need to fix this grammar. I might need Grammarly for anyone who's on YouTube all the time and has YouTube ads, watches, you know, the YouTube ads, Grammarly. Anyways, we might be at, okay, so I'm starting now, by the way. We might be at risk of losing the account. However, I will make sure to tread carefully. Let me explain. We will wait for the breakout, and if the 15-minute closes back in the range, then we will enter sells and expect price to push down. However, if we close above, then I will expect price to continue pushing up, and we will keep the position open for 100 pips. If we open with a gap, then I will also look to see how we react with the 15-minute time frame. Ideally, the first move will be made from the closure of the 15-minute. Oh, sorry, I didn't read that clearly. So what I said, let me repeat that one more time. If we open with a gap, then I will also look to see how we react with the 15-minute time frame. Ideally, the first move will be made from the closure of the 15-minute. Now, if we get the gap up 100 to 200 pips, then close the position immediately. Side note, this is where reality kicks in, yeah? So, you write all of this this stuff and everything's going to be okay. It's not the case. But this is where I think I tried to save myself, yeah? So, if the plan fails and we approach the lows before the closure, then automatically close the position and save yourself. The manual stop loss will be 79. I say manual right now, but I'll make sure to put the stop loss at 79 as soon as the market opens. Another thing I want to say as well is that pretty much like actually, yeah, I should have wrote that down as well. I should have anticipated that too. But there could be a chance that the market just opens with, bro, like it goes all the way down to 68, like market opens with a gap going down. I never mentioned that, but that is something else to consider as well. But man, at that point, like the account will be finished. I'm not gonna lie to you. But anyways, aside from that, that's pretty much what I'm looking to do. I will be, as you can probably tell, like I'll most likely be up for the Asian session. I don't really want to be, but I will be. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, to be fair. There's nothing really much else to add. I think the moral of the story here is fuck FOMO. Oh my god, bro. I just swear. Yo, I think the moral of the story here is it's not even FOMO, like yeah, it's just like all I had to do was just like, ideally the thing that I was supposed to do was I was supposed to wait for sales, innit? With the 4 hour. The 4 hour broke out, closed back in the range. I wait for sales. That was the plan. Obviously that wasn't the case, yeah, anyways, that wasn't the case, and we paid the price ultimately. Well, I say we paid the price ultimately, but like I fucked up, and I fucked up because I didn't follow the plan. The plan was to wait for an opportunity to sell, right? If we get a breakout, 4 hour closes, bullish engulfing, wait for the entry signal, we're inside, but no. Anyways, yeah, I don't know how much memory I got on the video, but yeah, man. So I think that, yeah, I just need to make sure that like whatever I say I need to do for the market, I do it. Because even like the USUJ trades, like I mean, I wasn't. Yeah, I would say I was too early with the sales. I don't think I was waiting long enough for the 4 hour candles to give me the that it's go time, right? So, anyways, yeah, that's that. Um. Anyways, I think now I'm gonna chill. Like, I'm gonna just lie down, prepare myself. I've already done what I needed to do, so literally now I'm just chilling, you know, watching videos, reading. If you want to know what I'm reading, guys, I'm currently reading the autobiography of Andrew Carnegie, and yeah, the Gospel of Wealth. I'm currently on, I think, like chapter 22, but yeah. Anyways, so hopefully I could probably finish the book. I don't know if I'll sleep early today, but yeah, literally just chilling. I don't really wanna. It sounds petty, but I didn't really want to look at the charts, but I forced myself, because you gotta face your fears, you gotta face the challenges, right? Last thing before I go and leave you to, well, I mean, I'm speaking as if like we're right here in the moment. I mean, for you guys watching, but um, yeah, man, like. After yesterday, I remember like I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning for gym, and I was just thinking, bro, like I don't even want to go. Like I feel like such shit. Oh my, bro, I I feel so bad. That's what I was meant to say. I feel so bad, and yeah, literally, I was like, I'm not even gonna go to the gym, but then. I was thinking to myself, hold on. So, look, the thing is this, right? Whenever you feel mentally shit, right? Forget about it. Whenever you feel mentally bad, right? If you can't make yourself better when you're feeling mentally bad, right? How are you supposed to make yourself better when you're feeling mentally good? You understand what I'm saying? So I was like, yeah, you just get up and go. So I took my headphones. I made the workout schedule where I can I can work with it, because the main thing is just about getting up and going, and moving. So that's why like I did it, right? And making sure that even when I'm feeling bad, like I go. And another thing as well that I suggest for you guys as well, because I know there's been times where maybe like I feel sick, or like I say sick, but there's different kind of illnesses. So, anyways, the first one is, for example, if you have a headache, I take 2 bottles of water to the gym. Yeah, take 4 bottles of water and try to drink as much as you can. Drink them on the way to the gym, while you're at the gym, obviously, and then while you're on your way back home. That should help with the headaches. If you've got like a stomach bug, no, wait, hold on. If you've got infections, stay at home, because like, yeah, you can't be giving people diseases, and diseases, infections. That's not nice. What's another one? What's another one? Oh yeah. For example, you got pain. If you got pain on your arm, yeah, that's fine. Okay, you can still work out. You go to the gym, or you go to the park, and you work on your legs. You don't need your arms to work your legs, right? Same thing with the no, maybe you need your arms to get down on the floor for core, but yeah. Anyways, let's say for example, if you're suffering an injury. Anyways, the point I'm trying to make, yeah, is that there's always a solution to a problem, and in this life, I think we need to be we need to be problem solvers and not problem holders. That's nice. Hold me accountable to that one. Yeah, we need to be problem solvers and not problem holders. So, anyways, I just want to say, like, I'm sorry to you guys, and I'm sorry to myself, you know, for obviously letting you guys down on for letting us down on the second week of the challenge, but it happens, I guess. I'm not gonna. I know what needs to be done to make it right, so I'll make sure to do it. In regards to where we go from, yeah, and that's it. Sorry, that's what I was meant to say. I just want to say that, like, if anyone's watching this now, like, I appreciate you for staying along, because I know that probably if you saw yesterday's clip, then you've most likely just quit the video, you know, and yeah, like, you've probably unsubscribed and probably blocked my channel or reported me to YouTube for for doing so bad. But yeah, anyways, yeah, that's all. Thank you again, and we will make sure that next week we come correct. Like, from Sunday Asian session to Monday. Yeah, to Monday. Sorry, bro. Sorry, guys. From Sunday Asian session to next week to Friday, NFP. You know. So yeah, wait, hold on. I should say something. Yeah, I don't trade news. Yeah, I don't recommend anybody to trade news. If you want to do it, you do the casino. Enjoy, bon voyage. You know. But yeah, anyways, that's everything. Crazy. It's crazy. But yeah, I will see you. Oh yeah, so I'm supposed to see you tomorrow, actually. I'm supposed to see you guys on Sunday for the post-market analysis. I might do something different where I got Lorenzo on the call, so that'll be fun. And what's another thing as well? Oh yeah, we need to make sure that yeah, so tomorrow yeah, Lorenzo in the for like pre-market analysis, and what's next? Yeah, no, that's all I think. I was supposed to say something, but literally forgot. Yeah. Anyways, I'm happy that you've watched this week with me. Yeah, I'm happy that you watched this week with me, and let's kill it. Let's kill it next week. Let's kill it. No FOMO. We follow the plan. We make sure we get that 1 to 6 reward, or borderline 1 to 4 risk reward. And yeah, we actually make progress, because right now we're in I'm gonna say like £70 deficit right now. Hurts, bro. But I don't mind. You know why? Because your boy can do it. And you know why I can do it? I worked my ass off, I think. I did. I don't know. You know, but yeah, let me go. Let me go. Listen. Yeah, catch you next week. Yeah, and that's all. That's all for now. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And whenever you are watching, Have a fantastic day or night.